Good morning, children. So today we are going to write down some extra questions on this topic like motion, force and work. So let's write some extra questions. Question. Right. Right. The difference between write down the difference between the following. So let's write the difference between speed and velocity. So you should know how to compare the speed and velocity. So one is speed, another side we write down the velocity. Speed and velocity. First point, okay, first point in speed. Speed is distance. Speed is distance. Distance traveled distance traveled per unit of time. Per unit of time. Okay, it's the speed. Then velocity is the velocity is the distance traversed traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time. In unit time. Okay. Transverse means to and forth. Move back and forth. Direction and speed is the distance traveled for per unit time. Point number 2. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Is a scalar quantity. Here, second point, it's a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. Okay. Now we write the formula how to calculate speed, how to calculate velocity. It's the third point. Point number 3. formula. Okay. Formula. Speed is equal to distance traveled transfers right down upon time, total time. Write down the formula of velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon total time. Displacement upon total time. So let's write down. Next is B. Distance at displacement. B is distance displacement. Distance displacement. Okay. So first point in distance. Right. The length of the loop. The length of the loop. The length of the loop actually transfers by a moving body irrespective of the direction is of the direction is called distance. Is called the distance. Okay. Okay, the length of the route actually traversed by a moving body, irrespective of the direction, is called the distance. Then write about the displacement. The minimum distance. The minimum distance traversed by moving body, by a moving body in a direction from in one direction from, okay, in a direction, one direction, right out, one direction, in one direction from the original point to reach point to reach the final point is called displacement. Okay. Then write about it's a scalar quantity. Second point, distance is a scalar quantity. It's a scalar quantity, whereas it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. It's a vector quantity. Okay, write down. Okay, children. So then just discuss some question answers about true or false. First question is whether, right? Say whether the given sentence is true or false and correct the incorrect statement. Okay. So first is velocity is distance traveled per unit time. Velocity is distance traveled per unit time. It is false. Speed is distance traveled per unit time. Okay. The answer is correct. Answer is speed. Speed is distance traveled per unit time. Okay. We have already written in the definition. Then second one, in displacement, both distance and direction are taken into an account. Okay. In displacement, both distance and direction are taken into an account. It is true. Then next, speed is equal to distance upon time. It's a formula that is of a speed. It's also true. Speed is equal to distance upon time. It is true. Then change in speed per second is acceleration. Change in speed per second is acceleration. That is false. The correct statement is change in velocity per second is acceleration. Change in velocity per second is acceleration. Then work done depends on the force and the displacement. That sentence is true. Work done depends on the force and the displacement. It is true. Okay. The next, CGS unit of acceleration is meter per second square. It is false. So CGS unit for acceleration is centimeter per second square. Then MKS unit of force is Newton. Okay. MKS unit of force is Newton. It is true. So then force is measured by acceleration that it produces. That is true. Force is measured by the acceleration that is produces. It is true. Okay, so here we finished this lesson number 7, motion, force and work. So we have written question answers also of this lesson. In our next video, we will learn another new topic. So bye everyone.